How's it going, fifth grade? It's me, Mr. Green, and today we are going to find the volume of some rectangular prisms. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Remember the last video I showed you, we were finding the volume, but they had like cubes in it, and they were called volume. Today we're going to be finding the volume, but there's not going to be any cubes. You have to use a formula to figure it out. Okay? Same thing, but no cubes. Actually has the cubes, it's just not going to label them. All right, so here we go. So before we start, you need to know that a rectangular prism, they have a length, a width, and a height. So when I say, hey guys, go ahead and multiply the length and the width, or multiply the length and the height, then this is what you know I'm talking about. So we have a width, a length, and a height. All right, and here's the steps. Steps are kind of the same, except there's one, step 2 is a little different. So here we go. So let me show you how to do one. Step 1, find the length, the width, and the height. So my length and width and height are 4, 6, and 3. Now I separated them with the multiplication symbol because we are going to be multiplying them, okay? And so because step 2 says multiply friendly numbers. So what I like to do is multiply the ones I know that are pretty easy. Like for example, I know that 4 times 6 is 24. And then I have to just multiply it by the last one, which is 3. So I multiply 24 by 3. Now Mr. Green, he likes the area model. You can use whatever model you want. I'm just going to be using the area model because that's my jam right there. I love the area model. 20 times 3 is 60. 3 times 4 is 12. And when you add that up, you get 72. So the volume of this rectangular prism is 72 cubic feet because it's measuring in feet. Pretty cool, huh? All right. So that was step 3. Now let me show you one more. Same step. Step 1, analyze. What is my length, width, and height? Oh man, they're all 10. That's easy. 10. So now I got to do step 2. Multiply 10 times 10 times 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. And 100 times 10, well, that equals 1,000. So my answer is 1,000 cubic inches because we're measuring in inches. All right, so really all you got to do is find those measurements and just multiply. All right, why don't you guys go ahead and pause the video, try this one, and let's see how you guys do. All right, we're back. Let's check it out. Let's see how you guys did. So here's my measurements. Analyze. Those are my measurements. Now I need to multiply. 2 times 4 times 5. Now for me, the friendly numbers here are 2 and 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So now all I have to do is multiply by 4. And I don't need to use the area model on that one. 10 times 4 is 40. So my volume is 40 cubic inches because we're using inches. So did you guys get that? If you did, awesome work. If not, let's try another one. Go ahead and pause the video on this one and go ahead and do all the work and I'll see how you guys did. All right, boys and girls, we're back. All right, let's see how you guys did. Oh, the measurements are all 5. That's going to be easy. So 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25. This is step 2. And then 25 times 2 equals, I know this one. You could use the area model, but Mr. Green knows this one, so it's 125. So my volume is 125 cubic centimeters, because cm stands for centimeters. All right, the last one's going to be a hard one. Okay, so now go ahead and try this hard one. This is a hard one. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, try it, and I'll see how you guys did. All right, we're back. Let's try it. Step 1, analyze. Okay, well, there's my lengths. Oh, there's some big numbers there. Step 2, multiply. Okay, so I need to go 8 times 21 times 31. Now, there's no friendly numbers here. I mean, the friendliest I think would probably be 8 and 21. But I don't know, there's no real good friendly numbers here. So let's just go ahead and multiply them. So 8 times 21. So I'm going to put 8 over here. And then I'm going to put 21 right here. 20 plus 1. 8 times 20 is 160. 8 times 1 is 8, so this equals 168. Pretty cool. Now I gotta take 168, so I'm gonna make that into 100 plus 60 plus 8. Broke that into place value to my area model, and then I have to multiply that one by my last number. I multiplied these already, 31. So this is gonna be crazy, breaking 31 into 30 plus 1. See how I did that? Crazy math right there. It's been a while since you've done area model. Then if you know another way, go ahead and do another way. I like the area model. So here I go. 30 times 100, that's 3,000. 30 times 60, 3 times 6 is 18. And I have 2 zeros, so that's 1,800. 3 times 8 is 24. And I have 1 0. Okay, that was the hardest part to multiply. This part's easy. 1 times 100, 1 times 60, and 1 times 8. Now, to find the answer, I just got to add those up. So I have 3,000 plus 1,800 plus 240 plus 100 plus 60 and 8. All right, let's see how we did. 8, 10, 12, 5. So the answer is 5,208. So the answer to the volume is 5,208 cubic yards. Boys and girls, that's as hard as it's going to get. So usually they're all going to be numbers like this, but I wanted to show you one challenge one just to see how you guys did. Okay? So now what I want you guys to do is go onto iExcel. You've already done E14, EE14, EE15. Now do EE15. It's the same thing we just did. In fact, I got those problems right from iExcel, so you should be fine. Hey, fifth graders, I miss you guys. I hope you're doing some math. I hope you're doing some science at home, because just grow those brains. It's going to be amazing.